In this video, I'll show you how to transfer files from your computer to a USB flash drive in Windows 11. First, connect your USB flash drive to your computer. Wait a few seconds until Windows detects it. Now, open File Explorer. Click This PC from the left panel. Under Devices and Drives, double-click your USB flash drive to open it. Next, open another File Explorer window. Navigate to the folder that contains the files you want to transfer. Arrange both File Explorer windows side by side so you can see them at the same time. In the window that shows your computer files, select the file or folder you want to copy. Click and hold the selected file or folder. Drag it to the window that shows your USB flash drive. Release the mouse button to copy the file. Wait for the file transfer to finish. When the copy is complete, open the USB flash drive and make sure your files are there. That's it. This is how you can transfer files from your computer to a USB flash drive in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.